Hi guys, it's Ayan here. As you know, I have started my YouTube channel just 3-4 days ago, and I'm uploading C and C++ programming videos. So in programming, you have heard the term AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence are the programs that have their own intelligence. In artificial intelligence field, you have heard of chatbots, inference engines, and databases. So in this video, we will make a chatbot, and how it will work is that we will make a text file named data.txt, and there we will write the question answer and the answers in the format that the first line we will write the question or the query as hello. Let's say hello is a query and the answer is hi, so we'll write hello in the next, and in the next line we'll write hi. So uh, the data file, and what the program will do is that it will take the input and it will search it in the directory, and if it finds it in the directory, then if it finds it in the directory, then it will read the next line of the program, means the text file, and it will print it. So, and it will also speak. The software you will need is eSpeak. I'm using Ubuntu, so you can on Ubuntu you can install it as sudo apt-get install eSpeak. And so we will need GCC compiler. I'm having Genie, so let's get started. We'll open Genie. I'm minimizing webcam, and so this is the basic structure. There is studio.h, stdlive.h, and string.h. It is compulsory to include these three libraries in this program. We have two functions, one named get input and one named the remove spaces. We do remove spaces because eSpeak can't speak spaces. So here I am showing you an example. I open terminal. Sorry. Here I write eSpeak, and now eSpeak is running. So let me write hello. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
It speak the speak sorry the speak it because it's the speak is only running, but in our program the program will also run and the speak will also run, so it's not possible. So it will be like this.
Hello.
So it will only speak hello because there are no underscores. Now if I replace underscore spaces with the underscores,
Hello, how are you?
so it will speak the whole word, because the underscores are counted in the words, and this will be whole a word. So remove spaces, for that it removes the spaces and converts it to underscore. So now we'll write the get input function. So, and here's the main. It is character input, and it writes hello, I'm chatbot, my name is Alex Harrison, hello. And here is a do while loop. It prints this to indicate that the user has to input. It gets the input with the gets function, because in C we take the string with the gets function, and it transfers the input to the get input function. And now we are writing the get input, and here we will write character name. Let's say input. Here also you can write another name if you are confused with this input and this input, but I am writing input. Alright, now we will make a file data type. For this you will need stdlive and string.h. Here we will write fp. We will make a pointer pointed because it will store the address of a file. So we'll write into fp and is equal to fopen. Fopen means file open, it opens the data file, and here we will write data.txt in the read mode. R means read, W means write, R plus means read and write, W plus also means read and write, and then we'll write while no. In C programming, the exclamation mark is denoted as no. FEOF means file end of file, means till there is no end of file. FP, and we'll open braces and write f gets, and we'll make a variable called array. We'll make this variable because uh, we'll need to compare the input and the array, so we'll need to make this variable, and here we'll write f gets array, length of the array 128, and fp. You will write the length what you define in the array, and then what this will do is that it will take one line from the file and it will read it, and here we'll write, and now we'll compare it with the input, so we'll write if strn. Normally you have seen strcmp, but we'll write strncmp because here we'll define 128 and we'll compare the length of the array also, so we'll write strncmp array input, and this takes three arguments because it takes the length also as n, so we'll write strl string length input, and to compare it we'll write is equal to 0, and then it will, if the array or the line will match, then it will again take one line and it will print it. %s and array. Alright, till here it's fine, and when it will read the array, then we will give it to get input, means remove spaces. We'll give the array to remove spaces, and this function is finished. Let's close it, and now let's try to run it. Oh, there is some error. What the error is here? What? Some error is coming here. What's the error? I made it earlier and I'm having it right now, so I'm seeing it. What's the error? I think all thing is correct. Why the error is coming? Expected. Oh, the error is because of this, I think. Yes. Sorry friends, there was an error because of this, and again it's not building. undefined reference is correct. Yes, it's correct. Oh, we need to make the remove spaces also. We write void no int remove spaces, and here we'll write char array and the length of array 128. Alright, and we'll close the braces just for now to check it. And now see, it shows hello, my name is chatbot 1.0, I am Alex Harrison. Hello, and now we can write hello, it shows hi. And let's write how are you. It shows I don't have feelings. Let's check it in the data.txt. So here is the data.txt, and here it shows, first it shows hello, then I wrote hi, no, I wrote hello, and then it wrote hi. I wrote how are you, and then it wrote that I don't have feelings. So it works like this. And now let's add the eSpeak. I'll copy the remove spaces from here, but I'll explain you how it works. So how it works is that there is a character called blank with, which it will replace the text. I have named the array text, which I which the function was given, and here is int c and int d. And now it goes with c, and it says text c text. This word means that the text will be counted with c, and while text not is equal to 0, it means that while the text do not end, read the text and search for spaces. If space is there, then replace it with underscore. And int temp is equal to c plus 1. The temp, what is what is what is does it that it increase the value of c if and this is also the same, it converts the spaces into underscores. You can copy it. I've You can copy it into your IDE while I am not doing anything in this. Now coming back to topic, what this does is that it replaces the blanks with the C. Blank is a variable, and C is this, the variable that we transferred, and it replaces it with blank and C++ and D++. It increments the C and the D. Now what this command does is that constant char command is equal to eSpeak, means it makes the command eSpeak. The variable command is having eSpeak, and in string cat what is does is that it copies the string command and blank. Means let's say the command is eSpeak and the blank is high, so it will make eSpeak high. And then system command what is does is that it writes the command into the terminal and then executes it. So let's run it. There is some error. Alright, now let's run it. It shows hello. I write hi.
How are you?
It shows how are you. Now I write fine. it is not the word that it is not the line that it's not having fine, it's having I don't have feelings. So it does not show anything. Now if I write who made you,
Iron Patrick Handy.
now it shows my name, Anand Bokhande. Now if I write tell me
I am AI program. My inventor is Mr. Iron.
and so in data.txt this much is there, so it's showing this only. So this is a very helpful chatbot. And so friends, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like it, please share it, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Keep supporting, and next time I will upload videos about Arduino projects, etc. So keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting me. Thanks.